Alright guys, so I just took out the bulb, my headlight, because it went out. Yeah, I'm about to go to AutoZone to hopefully get it replaced. I don't know, we'll see if they have it, but yeah, the whole assembly's right here. This is the bulb. I'm pretty sure it went bad because it was working fine before and then it just like died. But yeah, here's the headlight assembly. Yeah, obviously got to reassemble it, but for now I'm just gonna like take these pieces out. I don't know. Whoa. Okay. Damn, that's hella ugly. Alright guys, so here's the new bulb. I got it from AutoZone. It was like $28, so I hope it fits and I hope it works. I hope it works more than it fits. I don't really care if it doesn't like completely fit, but I just hope it works so I can stop getting pulled over for not having a left headlight. But yeah, let's see how it fits. Alright guys, I have my phone light here. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but basically in my headlight assembly there's like this like little wire thing. You gotta kind of like God, if this doesn't work I'm gonna cry. Alright, so now I just gotta test it. So yeah, reconnect this battery right here. So the car's back on. Oh my God, moment of truth. Oh, what the fuck? They're the different colors. What? Why is one yellow and... Alright, whatever. It works, guys.